Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ux and Now Family Vlogs. Today I am going to show you how to make strawberry jam. I have taken half kg strawberries, fresh strawberries and cleaned it thoroughly. Check and discard if any rotten strawberries. Take a bowl, add the strawberries and add 250 grams of sugar and mix it well. Then transfer it into a large cooking pot. And add the remaining 250 grams of sugar. Now add the lemon juice. On a medium flame, cook the strawberries for at least half an hour and frequently keep stirring till it reaches the setting point. Now we have reached the setting point, and one important thing guys is that to skim the scum, the white liquid. Ensure you remove as much as you can. Our strawberry jam is cooked well. Now it's time to transfer it into a sterilized glass jar. Actually, I have made two versions of strawberry jam. One is with butter and one is without butter. Now take the butter paper and cut to oval shape so that it fit inside the jar, as we are going to layer it on the jam for it to become thick. Close the lid tightly and leave it till it comes to the room temperature. This jar is without butter. Our jam is ready now. Let's check. Now I'm going to open the jar and remove the butter paper and show you how does it look and taste. Wow, this is awesome. Hope you like the quick recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you soon in our next vlog. Till then, stay safe.